What's going on, guys? Firewolf here, showing you guys the TORRAS GlassGo X tempered glass screen protector for your new iPhone 16. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and show you guys how to install this screen protector. Now it comes in this beautiful black box with some nice shiny on top. So I'm really interested to see how this is going to fit the new 16. So first thing inside the box, we're gonna have a nice envelope with all of our accessories, which I'll open very soon. And right over here, we have this awesome insulation frame. Now this is TORRAS' 6th generation frame, which makes it very easy to install by using a simple pulling mechanism here. You basically just line it up and you just pull through. Very easy and seamless installation, which I'll be showing you guys, so stay tuned. Further inside, we're gonna have a nice scraper in the back, which is basically a microfiber squeegee here to assist in installation. Now right inside this envelope here, we're gonna have some few surprises over here. We're actually gonna get a second screen protector here, which adds tremendous value since you're getting 2 tempered glass screen protectors for the price of 1, and that's an awesome value here. Now this screen protector is edge to edge, which has these black lines over here, which will make it look very seamless as well. We have a 9-inch plus hardness over here, and it's also rated at a 12-foot drop tested protection, making this one of the highest standards of any screen protector. They're gonna give us 2 sets of screen protector accessories, as well as a user manual and a warranty card. Now the first thing we want to do is we want to make sure we power off our iPhone 16 here, so that way we can see exactly what's on the front of the screen. And the very first thing we're going to start off is with the wet wipe, and I love how TORRAS gives us a little number here, letting us know which step is first. Now with this wet wipe here, all we're going to do here is we're going to pass it on top of the screen. Next, we're going to grab our microfiber cloth here to wipe off that wet residue. Now you want to make sure your screen is nice and clean. Next, we're going to grab our dust removal stick over here, and we're going to pass it on the top of the screen, making sure there's no lint or any type of dirt on top of the screen. Now that we have a nice clean surface here, we're going to position the installation frame here. We're going to locate where it says top, of course match it with the top of the phone. So we're going to place it right on top. And next, we're going to hold the installation frame and we're going to pull this tab all the way down. And you should see the screen protector starting to adhere. Alright, after giving it a couple of seconds to fully adhere, now we're ready to take off the installation frame. So we could definitely start from the top here and start lifting it up. Alright, and you might notice some bubbles here. So the good news is that we have the microfiber squeegee here. And all we have to do here is we just have to apply some pressure here and push these bubbles out. Alright, that took less than a minute here. We're left with a beautiful installation here. It looks absolutely beautiful here. It's really hard to tell that you even have a screen protector on. Taking a closer look here, you can kind of see where the screen protector kind of starts. And I like the fact that it leaves just enough space for case compatibility, which is very important for a screen protector like this. But you're still getting a nice edge-to-edge screen protection. Now let's go ahead and fire this up and test out the screen performance. Alright, now that we have it fired up, let's go ahead and unlock it. And the first thing you're going to notice is how silky smooth this screen protector is. It feels really good. Definitely feels way better than the original screen of your iPhone. I love how this feels. It has a really nice thickness here as well, giving it that nice 12 feet of drop protection here, and that's really good as well. Doesn't have to pinch to zoom here. It is ultra smooth, and the fact that this screen protector is nice and clear, it's gonna show off all of the beautiful colors of your iPhone, no matter what angle you're actually looking it from. So that's really nice, and it leaves just enough space here for your earpiece with no obstructions at all. Now, since we get an extra one here, all we have to do here is take off the old screen here. And then we're going to take the new screen protector here. We want to make sure that TORRAS is facing inward over here. And we're going to start on the bottom here. You're going to notice some openings on the top and you're going to notice some openings on the bottom. So again, we're going to start from the bottom over here. Going to line that up. Then we're going to work on the top here, making sure it is inside. And we want to make sure we push these 2 inwards here to ensure a nice proper installation. And then we're going to go back down here. We want to make sure we apply some pressure over here as well to make sure it's nice and locked in. And finally, we're going to grab the pulling mechanism here and we're going to gently lift this up here to put the last final piece in place. And just like that, we're now ready to install it a second time. And again, this can be used for a friend or family, or you can store this just in case. So guys, if you're looking for an amazing tempered glass screen protector that gives you ultimate protection, a super smooth surface, and a easy installation frame, then I highly recommend checking out the TORRAS GlassGo X. I will leave a link down below. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Firewolf out.